If you love a beautiful garden, but don't have the time, energy, or desire to constantly maintain it, this guide is for you. Evergreen shrubs are a dream come true for homeowners and gardeners who want year-round greenery with minimal effort. These plants stay lush and vibrant in every season. No need to replant or worry when temperatures drop. Whether you're creating privacy, adding structure, or simply want a low-maintenance pop of green, this list of 47 evergreen shrubs that practically take care of themselves will transform your outdoor space into a stress-free sanctuary. They're drought-tolerant, disease-resistant, and most require very little pruning or fertilizing. Ready to upgrade your garden the easy way? Let's explore the ultimate collection of reliable, hassle-free evergreen shrubs you can plant and forget, but still enjoy all year round. Asterisk 1. Boxwood. Boxwoods are classic evergreens with small leaves and a naturally neat appearance. They're ideal for hedges, borders, or topiary, and need minimal pruning to stay tidy. It's tolerant of most soils and partial shade too. Dwarf Alberta spruce. This compact conifer grows in a perfect cone shape and requires very little shaping. It thrives in full sun, is cold hardy, and is perfect for small spaces or as a potted accent. 3. Japanese holly, often mistaken for boxwood. Japanese holly has similar small leaves but offers more versatility in shape and size. It's drought tolerant and easy to grow in full sun or partial shade. 4. Yews are evergreen shrubs with soft, needle-like foliage. They are slow-growing and can be easily shaped or left natural. Extremely long-lived and low maintenance. 5. Mountain laurel with glossy evergreen leaves and stunning flowers in late spring. Mountain laurels are both ornamental and low maintenance. They prefer partial shade and well-drained acidic soil. 6. Inkberry. Type of holly, inkberry, produces shiny green leaves and black berries. It holds its shape well and works beautifully in foundation plantings or as a low hedge. 7. Winter creeper. This hardy ground cover shrub has colorful evergreen foliage that can be green, gold, or variegated. It spreads icily and thrives in sun or shade. 8. Viburnum. Some varieties of viburnum are evergreen and extremely low care. They offer fragrant flowers, berries, and are tolerant of many conditions once established. 9. Camellia, known for their stunning winter blooms. Camellias are evergreen shrubs that require minimal pruning and love partial shade and acidic soil. 10. Mahonia. Mahonia has unique spiky leaves and bright yellow winter flowers. It's followed by blueberries. It's deer-resistant and thrives in shady areas. 11. Oregon grape. Similar to Mahonia, Oregon grape has leathery leaves and produces clusters of edible blueberries. It handles drought and poor soils well. 12. Cherry laurel. Fast-growing and dense. Cherry laurels are ideal for privacy screens. They're tough, adaptable, and evergreen, even in colder climates. 13. Gardenia, with glossy leaves and highly fragrant white flowers. Gardenias are evergreen and love warm climates. They need acidic soil, but are otherwise low care. 14. Privet. Varieties of privet are evergreen and tolerate pruning, pollution, and drought. Excellent for hedging and structure. 15. Indian hawthorn. This sun-loving shrub has glossy leaves and pink or white spring flowers. It's salt-tolerant, drought-resistant. It's great for coastal gardens. 16. Juniper. Junipers come in many forms, low-growing, upright, or spreading. They are extremely tough, drought-tolerant, and require almost no pruning. 17. Dwarf Mugopine. Compact, slow-growing pine that retains its shape with little to no pruning. Great for rock gardens or borders. 18. Leucothyon. It's elegant shade-loving shrub with arching branches and glossy leaves. Some varieties offer colorful foliage and year-round interest. 19. Azalea. Evergreen type. Certain azaleas retain their leaves all year. These are hardy, compact, and offer stunning spring blooms with minimal upkeep. 20. Rhododendron-like azaleas. Rhododendrons offer evergreen varieties that thrive in part shade and acidic soil. They're large. Colorful flowers make them a standout 2-1. Japanese pyrus. This elegant shrub has year-round glossy leaves and drooping clusters of white or pink flowers in early spring. Minimal pruning needed 2-2. Firethorn pyracantha. This tough, thorny shrub features white flowers in spring and bright orange or red berries in fall. It's drought tolerant and great for wildlife. 2-3. Nandina. Heavenly bamboo, an evergreen with lacy foliage that turns red in winter. It's drought resistant, deer resistant, and requires little to no maintenance. 2-4. Dwarf bamboo. Certain bamboo types stay small and clumping. They stay green all year and can serve as natural screens or ground covers with no trimming needed. 2-5. Sweetbox. Coca, a fragrant shade-loving shrub with tiny winter flowers. Ideal for quiet corners and woodland gardens. Very low maintenance. 26. Skimmia. Slow-growing evergreen with fragrant spring blooms and red berries. Skimmia thrives in shade and is a great container option. 2-7. Tea olive osmanthus. This shrub produces small, powerfully fragrant flowers and has holly-like evergreen leaves. It's easy to grow and pest-free. 2-8. Dwarf conifer miniature conifers. Come in many shapes and colors. These slow growers require no pruning and are excellent for rock gardens. 2-9. Dwarf hinoki cypress with a rich green color and compact growth. This cypress is ideal for modern or Japanese-style gardens. Very low maintenance. 30. Euonymus. Many evergreen euonymus varieties exist. It's offering variegated leaves and tough growth. Great for borders, hedges, or ground cover. 3-1. Spotted laurel aucuba. Aucuba has bold green and yellow speckled leaves. It's shade-tolerant, hardy, nearly indestructible once established.